The Ordinary Retinol Serum is a potent solution formulated to address issues such as acne, uneven skin tone, signs of aging, and enlarged pores. It leverages the power of retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, which is central to maintaining skin health and treating signs of aging and acne. The Ordinary has made a substantial mark in the skincare industry for offering high-quality formulations at accessible price points. The brand emphasizes transparency in its ingredient lists, helping users understand exactly what they are applying to their skin. So in today's video, we will take you through the extensive benefits of the Ordinary Retinol Serum, providing a detailed guide on its application while highlighting the essential do's and don'ts. So first, retinol, also known as vitamin A, plays a pivotal role in enhancing skin health, targeting issues such as acne, hyperpigmentation, and aging concerns. Essentially a nighttime treatment, retinol promotes skin renewal, making it a powerhouse in treating various skin conditions. We do recommend to use retinol at night, as daylight can degrade the vitamin A, rendering it less effective, and retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Initially, when you first start using retinol, you might notice dryness and flakiness. It is a normal skin response. Retinol is able to work on multiple levels of the skin, addressing melanocytes in the epidermis to correct pigment production and engaging with the fibroblasts in the dermis to foster collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid creation. It helps regulate damaged cells, but also supports cells in functioning correctly, making it a potent agent in reversing aging signs. So what makes the Ordinary Serum stand apart in its straightforward formula, which brings the benefits of retinol with the addition of unnecessary ingredients? This serum utilizes retinol in various strengths, allowing users or customers to choose a product that suits their skin's tolerance levels and needs. So the Ordinary also has squalene in their formula, which is really hydrating, and it also helps potential dryness and irritation, which is commonly associated with retinol use. So how do you use the Ordinary's Retinol Serum? The serum is suitable for all skin types, being lightweight and non-greasy. So to make most of this nighttime serum, you want to first ensure that you cleanse your skin, double cleanse to remove any impurities and prepare your skin for the serum. If you have any water-based serums like niacinamide, you would apply this beforehand, and then you're going to be using the retinol serum. The retinol serum is an oil base, and that is why it needs to come after your water-based serums. You're going to dispense a small amount, about a drop or two, onto your fingertip or the back of your hand, and apply it to your face, neck, and chest, avoiding the eye area. If you are a retinol newbie, make sure that you do use a reduced amount and start with the lower dose retinol that they have in their range, and gradually increasing as your skin adapts. You're then going to follow up with moisturizer to finish. Now, some important tips when it comes to frequency. You want to first begin with 2 to 3 times weekly, so in the evening, to build your skin's tolerance, and then eventually you want to build up to using every single night. Ensuring that you do use sun protection during the day, so in your morning routine, even if you use the serum the night before, you need to ensure that you are using sunscreen every single day in part of your morning routine. Now, when you use a new product, regardless of the type of product, you want to always ensure that you conduct a patch test before fully integrating any new product into your skincare routine to check that you're not allergic or going to have a reaction to the product. And then, of course, with retinol, we definitely do not recommend that you use this when you are pregnant or breastfeeding. You need to ensure that you consult a healthcare professional, see what you can and can't use in your routine. Now, if you do experience persistent irritation or adverse reactions, stop using the serum immediately and then seek a dermatologist's advice. Want to take a deeper dive into retinol and the do's and don'ts? Then check out this video here next.